The memory seat system enables you to store 2 sets of positions for the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors, if so equipped, using these controls on the driver's side door. There are also memory seat switches for the front passenger seat, if so equipped. To store a set of positions, first, ensure that the shift position is in park with the ignition switch in the on position. Adjust the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors to the desired positions by manually operating each adjusting switch. Push the set switch and within 5 seconds, push memory switch 1 or 2. The indicator light for the pushed memory switch will illuminate and remain on for approximately 5 seconds. If the memory has been stored, a chime will sound. If a new set of positions is stored in the same memory switch, the previous memory positions will be overwritten. Stored memory positions can also be linked to an intelligent key. First, place the ignition switch in the on position while carrying an intelligent key that has been registered to the vehicle with a login function. Then, store a set of memory positions and place the ignition switch in the off position. For a second driver, repeat this procedure using the other intelligent key. Your vehicle is also equipped with the entry-exit function. This feature automatically moves the driver's seat back and the steering wheel up when the driver's door is open with the ignition switch off, or the ignition switch is turned to off with the driver's door open. With the shift position in park, the driver's seat and steering wheel will return to their previous positions when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. The entry-exit function can be adjusted or canceled by performing the following. Use these controls to select settings, vehicle settings, driving position, then exit seat slide or exit steering to toggle the feature on or off. When the exit seat slide or exit steering up is enabled, the meter setting items are memorized for each intelligent key. If 2 intelligent keys are in the vehicle at the same time, the key link system will recognize the last key used. If there is a desire to change to another key in the vehicle, turn the engine off. Press the unlock button on the intelligent key that you wish to use. Start the engine. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.